Hi everyone, this is our pitch video researching electric vehicle adoption in San Antonio by Reagan, Merrill, and Harley Hubbard. The City of San Antonio Office of Sustainability is a municipal organization focused on implementing the city's Climate Action and Adaptation Plan that was passed in 2019 to align the City of San Antonio with the climate action targets set forth in the Paris Climate Agreement. One of these initiatives is getting more drivers to choose electric vehicles, or EVs, over traditional internal combustion engine vehicles, or ICE vehicles. San Antonio is far behind other cities when it comes to EV adoption. In San Antonio, there are currently 1.5 electric vehicles per 1,000 residents, but the national average is 3.9 EVs per 1,000 residents. While the city has identified specific barriers to EV adoption, they are unsure of which barriers to tackle first and which demographics to target. Internal planning discussions have identified drivers under the age of 30 as a group of interest. If drivers purchase an electric vehicle as their first vehicle, they are unlikely to choose a traditional internal combustion engine vehicle in the future.
The management question for our research project is, why are there less electric vehicles in San Antonio than there are in similar cities? If you take a look at the map on the slide, it shows the proportion of car sales that were electric vehicles from 2019. You can see that San Antonio had less than 0.5% of its car sales being electric vehicles, whereas some of the other larger cities around our country had significantly more. It's clear from our research that San Antonio EV owners are generally older white males, so our tentative research questions aim to target the demographic of drivers under the age of 30 in order to create lifelong electric vehicle owners. To give you a sense of our investigative questions, some of the questions we will be asking are: do you believe your car has a negative impact on air quality? How familiar with electric vehicles are you? Have or would you consider owning an electric vehicle? Do you find electric vehicles to be affordable? Do you find electric vehicles to be safe? The overall goal of the research is to uncover insight about the consumers of San Antonio to understand why we are behind comparable cities with our vehicle electrification and help develop the sustainability of the city.